Welcome back to Miillers Offroad. Got a special guest on today's episode, Roman. And guess who else is with us? Matt finally decided to take a ride with us again. He's back. And Josh, of course, always. Roman, show us your shirt, man. Where'd you get that shirt, dude? Look at that. Miillers Offroad. Right on. So Roman is 9 years old and he is ready to go riding in the Ozarks. We are headed to Brockcreek. So one thing you've got to understand about Brockcreek is it's located just north of Jerusalem, Arkansas, and you have to take a long gravel road to get out of here. Some folks will park in Jerusalem and drive all the way out here down the gravel. We don't like to do that. We just rather, drive all the way out here and get to the parking lot. But this is the lake, and there's actually a decent amount of water in it. We've seen a lot of water in it, haven't we, Josh? When it's like crazy high.
Everything's going up.
Yeah, it's looking nice out here. Yeah. So this little concrete pillar here, I've actually got a picture where it was pretty close to the top of that. I'll try to put that in the video. Scary how high it was at one point in time. This is the parking lot that we always park at. We've never had an issue parking here. And the trails are all around you. All right, so a couple of things. First of all, it is after 5 o'clock at night, so we're gonna do a little evening ride out here this evening. It's just beautiful weather. We've got a nice big cooler full of sodas and waters. Here's the other thing that's crazy. Check this out. So this is a Wolverine, Yamaha Wolverine X4 XTR, and we do not have Matt's CanAm Outlander 1000 with us today, but there is a reason for that. So we decided to bring the side-by-side this time because we've got Roman with us, and his four-wheeler is actually a little bit messed up right now. He's got the Yamaha Kodiak, right, Roman? And the clutch or something like that is messed up. So Matt just decided, you know what? Let's just take the side-by-side. Got Josh's Chevy loaded down. Thank goodness for the 18-foot trailer. But we've got it on there pretty good. We've got plenty of room here on the back. So anyways, it's time to get unloaded and start riding.
We just ride with them in the side-by-side. Yeah, no, you're good. You're good.
I'm gonna roll off. I'm ready to ride. I'm craving it. Hey, look at this pothole right here.
Oh my God, go through it.
Now remember, Roman, we're recording your voice.
Oh.
We hear everything you say.
Up the mountain row?
I don't care.
Oh
no. No way.
Go see what this looks like. Looks like the water was up here recently.
Are we going that way?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
I was just gonna go down here and look at the lake for a sec. Although I think there's some folks down here. Yeah, there's some people down here. Yeah, they drove their truck right down there. That's crazy.
Are you buckled in, bro?
Yeah. On a trip.
Josh,
Yeah.
hit that, man.
I don't think so. I'm not looking to get muddy
Oh,
right now. Hold on, I don't know where they're at.
I see them. They're coming.
Okay.
The
I
thing
forget.
keeps sleeping.
Me
So-
and Josh will go at a higher
Hang on,
pace.
Aaron. I got to figure this thing out.
What is it? Oh, you gotta have your seatbelt on, dude, or it'll beep at you the whole time.
Yeah, we've got them on. That's the weird thing.
Oh,
I don't know.
crazy.
Well, it's wet. That's good.
Yeah, man. Trails are nice. You guys go ahead. I'll catch up.
Okay.
Man, I'll tell you what, Josh. These pixels, the sound canceling is 10 to 1 better.
What did you say?
I said the sound canceling on these headphones are 10 to 1 better on these pixels.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not kidding.
I bet.
But I'm glad you found some that actually stay in your ears.
Yep, that is nice.
I've personally never had a problem with them.
Yep. Drop it every 5 minutes. Aaron, has this thing got skid plates on it?
I don't know about that.
Neither.
You're pretty high off the ground, man.
Okay, okay.
I don't think you're gonna hit anything
All right.
on this, not on this trail. What's that, Josh? Did you hear a word he said, Matt?
Yeah, he said just send it.
Oh, just send it.
Just gonna send it.
Just gonna send it.
Roman, what do you think about this being able to hear us?
It's awesome.
Pretty cool, huh? Keep
Yeah.
going straight?
Yeah, keep going straight.
Okay. Sweet.
I want you to do it.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Now go forwards. You're gonna have to kind of wiggle back. Go, yeah, hang a hard, sharp left, before you start going forwards. There you go. You're in four-wheel low, right? Yeah. Now go back.
Not yet, but I'm going to.
Oh, I'd be in four-wheel low for sure. There you
Okay,
go.
I am now.
All right, come on back. Yep.
We'll just roll through the woods, Roman.
I'd come backwards some more, Matt. There you go. Nice. You got that easy.
Okay, should be good right here, right?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're fine. Looking great. Oh, yeah.
All
you're
right.
great. Hammer down. Nice, man. You're around it. There you go. Well done. Well done. My turn? Josh, you went up this other way, didn't you?
I'll wait here.
Yeah.
Yep, okay, keep going around the tree. Yep.
I see it.
And then cut a hard back around through them trees. Yep.
Keep coming, Matt. Yep, you're fine.
Tell you what, cannot see with a helmet on in this thing.
Oh, I believe that. Hard enough to see without a helmet in that thing.
But that's just a turnaround.
Okay.
Journey continues. Yeah, somebody been camping right there. It's kind of funny.
That's our next excursion that Josh wants to do is camp in here, way back in here.
Way back in the woods on the side of a creek, dude. Listen to that
Yeah.
water all night long.
Not unless I have form of entertainment with me. If I had one of them lake cushions back here, this would be pretty sweet. This ain't bad.
That's funny.
I got a hoodie if you want to sit on it, Josh.
Oh no, it's just the back. I'm good.
Hey guys, you keep going. I'll be right back. There's a trail over here I just got to check out. I think it goes to a little lookout.
Yeah, you're good.
I'll be right back.
Here you go.
Oh wow, that's not what I expected. It's just a pasture, a field up here.
Wow.
That's weird. All right, I'm coming back. I do think there's a lookout right over there. Okay. Back on the road. Yeah.
You got this.
Yeah, buddy.
Pretty nice being able to look in your rear view mirror too instead of turn your head.
Yeah, I hear you. I forget you've even got that. That's funny.
Yeah, it's pretty nice, I have to say.
Yeah.
The old man in me.
Sam,
Oh wow, look at that.
I want to get him.
Look at that, folks. Man.
He's just working
I
that
don't know
tongue, dude.
what kind is he, Roman? What kind is he?
Oh God, I'm sinking! Oh my God. Water snake. About, yeah.
Hey, get
probably.
just. Oh my goodness.
Oh.
I don't. That ain't much of a stick there, boss. Yeah, fish him out of there. Ooh, he's mad. Whoa, whoa. There he goes. No, wrong. Let him go, let him go. No, he ain't a small one. That's funny, man. Yep, he's rolling out. Boy, I tell you, I'm in a bit of a mud bog here. And you go ahead, man. Boy, I smell him. I smell him. Smells like it. He stinks. We're getting in some stuff up here, boys. Holy cow. That looks a little bit deep right there. I don't know if I want to go in that, dude. I'm serious. That looks deep. No, right up here. Yeah, that's deep right there. Look. Man. I got a winch right here. You got a winch too. Oh yeah, see that ain't nothing. Yeah, you're fine. Matt, I think you're plenty good. It's got potential to grow. left. Stay left. Stay left.
Oh, left. Oh,
Stay
climb
left.
the hill. Oh, yeah. Hill climb time.
Yep. Boy, that is a climb, ain't it?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
this is good training for the boy.
Here comes
Right.
your dad.
Yep.
All right, let's roll. I do this is pretty easy. Camber down. You won't. Whatever you're comfortable with.
Sun's going down.
Knowing what
Yeah.
you're doing.
I think we got
Yeah.
it this way.
That's kind of
And
And it's not,
frustrating, isn't
it is a little bit, like, it's not difficult, but you're going to spend some time on it.
it? Yeah.
There you
Nice.
go.
That's a bit of a hole. You got
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
I should have let you take that. It wasn't that bad.
Oh yeah. That's wild looking with you going through it, man. It's a hard bottom.
We're heading to a waterfall, Roman.
Is there a good cant? We're a good cant there.
Waterfall.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. We walked up that.
I got this one.
You got to walk up that creek bed.
Take it easy,
to it.
John.
Yes, that's right.
Yep, you're good. You're that way. Yep. You're good. I don't know how Matt will feel that going down in that thing, but
Oh, he'll be fine.
sorry, Roman.
I just take
All right.
it easy, Josh.
Yep.
Yep.
Oh, you look
We're
good.
good. Hey, watch your dad come down that thing.
Huh?
I
Watch your
can't believe
dad come
someone's
down
made
that
a
thing.
trail back to this. This is crazy.
Yeah.
Looks
I can't
crazy, don't
either.
it?
Yeah.
All right, we're good.
No, this wasn't here before. Wow, look up to your left, Roman. There's a little cave
Oh,
up there, dude.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
Man. It's like a little rock ledge overhang up there to the left.
Huh?
That's
Where we
sick.
going?
Keep going a little. Keep going a little. We're gonna park here.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is part
All
of
right.
the area. All right, folks. We are at my favorite waterfall in the Ozarks. This is, to me, this is the very best one. Really what you want to do is you want to get down to the creek immediately. Is it? Roman says it's super cold. There's a lot of waterfalls in the Ozarks, but this one right here, to me, this is the best one. I've been to a lot of them. Parked right back there. Did you?
Yeah.
Did you find you a cool rock? Nice.
Bro, it's so cold.
Is it? Is it to the left, Josh? There we go. Matt's coming. Josh, this might be the best we've ever seen it. Can you believe it, Roman?
That's a swimming hole, man.
It's like paradise, ain't it? Here it is, folks. It's the best waterfall in all of the Ozark National Forest.
How deep do you think this is?
I don't know. Take your clothes off and roll with it, man.
Alright.
Go ahead. Hey, get on in there, boy.
It's gonna get too cold.
Huh? Yeah. Yeah, you're right about that.
I don't like this. It's wobbly.
Is it? You better come back. What'd you find?
A
A
dead mouse.
dead mouse. What?
Wet.
Ooh, are you sure that's a mouse?
Yeah.
How do you know it's not a raccoon?
It's not. Why would that be a rat?
How do you know that's not a baby raccoon, man?
It doesn't.
Or a baby squirrel that fell off the ledge? I bet that's what happened. That's where he landed, poor little guy. Man, that was a long fall. And now, moments with Josh throwing objectiles. Woo! Oh, here comes Frogman. Josh is teaching him. Look at that. Just incredible. Boy, you wouldn't want to fall off of that up there. Woo, that'd be a dive. Pretty crazy. Josh, what do you think, man?
Oh, it's cool, man.
Best waterfall in the Ozarks? It's the best, man. Don't deny it. Don't deny it. It's the best waterfall in the Ozarks, folks. It's at the top. It's at the top, man. Chewy's might be the best restaurant. This is the best waterfall.
Is it 809?
Mic check 1 2. Mic
Yep,
check 1
it's
2.
8:05.
Okay.
Whoa!
We're good. Let's get back,
we're good.
boys. Josh,
Yeah,
you might
all
want
right.
to just drive. You might want to,
Bye.
you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You might want to let the boy
Ro,
ride.
Ro, why don't you hop in here?
Yep.
We kind of need to pick up the pace.
That way we're
Okay.
quicker. Yeah.
Okay.
That's a good idea.
I'll tell you what, guys. I'll make y'all a deal. Y'all pick up the chips. I'll pick up the pace. How's that sound?
Yeah.
Denny Curtis told me
Corny.
that one time.
That's corny.
He told me his boss was getting on to him. His boss was like, his boss was like, Denny, I don't know how to tell you this. You need to pick up the pace. He's like, well, I'll tell you what, buddy. He says, you pick up the chips and I'll pick up the pace.
Who did he work for?
I think a phone company down in Georgia.
That's right, yeah.
Josh hammer down. Match it.
It'll be
You better get on that sucker.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait for you. Whoa, that's gnarly.
No
looking.
problem.
Yeah,
No
baby.
problem.
That's right. Same way we came, right? Left.
I think so.
Yeah, we went left,
correct,
left.
correct, left.
Okay.
It's going to be interesting to see if those guys are still back there at that camp. That weird looking dude. Yep, correct, Josh.
Yes, sir.
It's funny, ain't it, Matt? You can see his blue light indicator on the back of his helmet.
Yeah, I did notice that.
That's kind of funny.
Yep.
Fire special?
Huh?
Fire special?
Yeah,
Blue light special.
blue light special. I love it, man. Nice, cool evening for a ride.
Yeah, it is.
Wish I had an ice cold beer right now. That's the
Man,
only
I'd
thing
love
that could make
one.
That's the only thing that could make it a little bit better. Man, pull up here in about, I don't know, 2 minutes, pull into a nice warm campfire in a tent, sit around that for a little bit and drink a couple cold ones, go to bed.
Yep.
Now that would be the life.
That's true.
I just don't like people following me, man.
Yeah, in the dark like
You
this.
know?
Especially at night in the woods. That's a little creepy.
Yeah, that's
You
what I'm
know?
talking about. At night in the woods, that's creepy.
Creepy.
There's the water crossing.
Nice.
Right.
You filming this, Josh? Josh?
But
That's cool.
Josh is on the way that you guys went.
Oh, he's chickening out. Oh.
You chicken!
Chicken soup.
Now, ain't that cool, man?
Yeah, that's awesome.
I love a night crossing.
This is perfect, man. Do a little bit of night riding tonight before
Yep.
we go tomorrow. I love this.
Yeah, man. It worked out really well, didn't it?
Yeah, it did.
So, are we going differently tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright.
Back on the gravel, folks. Josh is in the lead. Look at that moon. Woo! Nice and bright. We're back at the Brock Creek, upper Brock Creek Lake parking area. And it's just a wonderful temperature. It is 9 o'clock at night. But man, it's been a great ride. We sure have enjoyed it. All right. I'll line up a quad here.
Here we go. Huh?
Back at the truck.